Hey folks, Todd here. If you want the ultimate soft rolling truck bed cover with the ability to mount a bed rack for increased utility, take a look at the X15 TS from Real Truck. The ultra low profile and matte black finish will look amazing on your truck. The woven fabric on top is inherently fade resistant and stain repellent, making it even easier to maintain than vinyl covers, and it simply clamps to your bed cap so there's no drilling into your bed. The OEM grade seals on all four sides do an exceptional job of keeping the elements away from your cargo. And since the tailgate must be open in order to open the cover, locking your tailgate will give you an extra level of security. To open the cover, just lower the tailgate and pull the trigger latch on the driver's side and roll it towards the cab. As it rolls forward, it will release from the industrial grade hook and loop fasteners that hold it on the sides, and the load bars will roll up with the cover. When you reach the front, use the provided straps to hold it in place, then you're ready to haul your cargo without the need to remove your cover. Closing it is just as easy. Simply roll it back to the tailgate end and rotate it into the tail rail on the latching mechanism on both sides until you hear it click in place. The spring-loaded tension control system keeps the cover tight in every season. The X15 TS also has an integrated T-slot rail to mount additional accessories like the Elevate rack, allowing you to make use of the space above the bed while the cargo in the bed stays covered. The X15 TS is proudly built in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. We ship them for free to the lower 48 states, so when you're ready to upgrade your truck, call the experts or visit us online.